वन सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, ये टॉपिक बहुत दिनों से चल रहा है पर उसमें और कुछ पॉइंट्स लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है, ताकि जैसे कि हमें पता होना चाहिए हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स, these concepts are very important from this topic. That's why today we are going to discuss some problems based on that, how to find out the number of molecules. For that one we should know some formulae. So which formula we should know? Listen carefully and please note down this formula also. Number of molecules is equal to, what is the formula? Formula is that number of moles into Avogadro's number. In this way we can write that n into Na. Instead of Na we will write that value, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Sometimes what will happen in the problem, that they will provide us volume. At that time which formula we have to use, that also I will tell you here. If volume is given at that time, to find out the number of moles we are using the formula, that is volume in liter divided by 22.4. That is the simple formula for the number of moles. And for the molecules, just we have to multiply this ratio by the 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. W means mass of its substance or solute is given, then which formula we should use? For that one we should know that formula, that is W by M. W is nothing but the given mass and M for the molar mass of that particular substance into Avogadro's number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Hope so you have noted all these formulae. So in this way we will start with the first question. Now see here, what is the first question? First question is that which of the following, means in that they have given 4 options and in that we have to find out which of the following has the smallest number of molecules, means इस चारों में से कौन से ऑप्शन में number of molecules कम है. तो first option, what is that first option? 0.1 mole of the CO2 gas. Here see what is given, that number of moles is directly given. So for that one we can use the number of molecules formula. Which formula? That formula should be n into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So for first option 0.1 mole we have to use. So 0.1 into Avogadro's number I will write here directly Na, because based on that ratio we can, not ratio, based on that calculation we can identify easily. Not necessary to multiply this to this Avogadro's number here. So this is the answer of the option A. What about the option B? In that they have given 11.2 liter, means liter, ml, decimeter cube, centimeter cube. If that type of unit is there, we have to consider that they have given us volume. Okay, now see, volume is given in the liter, so no need to change anything in the formula. So which formula we should use? We should use the formula number of molecules is equal to volume divided by 22.4 into Avogadro's number. Okay, so now see, 11.2 liter volume is there, so 11.2 divided by 22.4 into Na. So in this way 1 by 2 means nothing but the 0.5 Na is the answer of the second option. Hope so you are getting that how to find out the number of molecules. I have taken this type of question because in this way we are completing the 4 questions. Directly we are completing 4 questions. So please listen carefully. If number of moles are given, then which formula we should use? If volume is given, then we should use this formula. That your idea you are getting here. So now see here, for the option A we got here 0.1 Na. For option B we got here 0.5 Na. Okay, now see third one. Which one is the third option? They have given mass. Now see, I told you that 3 formulae which are different from each other, and here also they have given 3 options which are totally different. Means first one moles are given, in second volume is given, and third one they are given mass. So for the third option we have to use the formula, that is the number of molecules is equal to W divided by M into Avogadro's number. Now see here, W is given. What is that W? That is 22 gram. So I am writing here 22. What about the molar mass? Molar mass of CO2. For that one we are calculating here. Listen carefully. CO2, carbon having mass number 12, oxygen having the 16. So in this way, for carbon 12 plus 2 number of oxygen is there, means oxygen atoms are 2, so 2 into 16. In this way 12 plus 32 is equal to 44, means we can say that molar mass of CO2 is 44. So we are writing here directly 22 by 44 into Na. What about this one? 1 by 2, that is nothing but the 0.5 Na. So for option C we are getting the answer, that is the 0.5 Na. Clear to everyone? Now see, last option is remain to discuss. Now see, in that fourth option what they are given? They have given the ml, means volume is given but it is in the ml. So 22.4 into 10 raised to 3 ml of CO2 gas. So in this way same formula we have to use. Which one is the formula? Number of molecules is equal to number of moles. How to find out the number of moles regarding volume? That is the volume divided by 22.4. We will prefer to convert this quantity into the liter. Now see, if we want to convert liter into ml, at that time we are multiplying with the 10 raised to 3. But when we want to convert that ml into liter, at that time we have to multiply by the 10 raised to minus 3. So in this way, if we convert this volume into the liter, at that time 22.4 into 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 22.4, multiply with the Na. Now see, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to minus 3 get cancelled, 21.4 is 1, means so 1 Na we are getting here. Means for the fourth option that 1 Na is there. Now you have to observe that which one is the smallest one, 0.1, 0.5, 0.5 and 1, that is the option. So from that one we can say that 0.1, that is the smallest value of the number of molecules. So correct option for this question is option A. So in this we got here answer and we'll discuss some more examples. Now see here second example. In that second example, same way we have to solve it, but previously we have seen that which of the following has the smallest number of molecules. Now here we have to observe that in which of the following has the maximum number of molecules. That doesn't matter, we have to find out the smallest or the maximum. But important thing is that we should know that how to find out. That's why I took once again that 4 options. So in this way we are practicing 4 plus 4, 8 examples. Okay, are you getting my point? So now see here, in that also we have to use the formula. Which formula? Number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro's number. In that, number of moles will be that W by M, or N is equal to volume divided by 22.4. Either this or this formula we have to use in this way. If we consider first example, first option, in that 4 options we can observe that everything is given in the gram, means they have given mass here. So we have to use the common formula for all options, that is the number of molecules is equal to number of moles. That formula we can write W by M into Avogadro's number. Okay, now see option A. For option A, number of molecules is equal to, what is the mass? Given mass is that 7 gram. So we are writing here 7. What about the molar mass of nitrogen? For nitrogen, each nitrogen having the mass number, that is the 14. So 2 into 14 we can say that it is 28. So I am writing here 28 into Na. So here 1 by 4 Na. Okay, this is the first option. Now see here, for the option 1 we got the answer, that is the N1 by 4 into Na. Okay, now see, we are going to find out the option second, for the answer for the option second. What is that? Here they have given 16 gram, means given mass is 16. Now what about the molar mass? It is the NO2. For that one again we will find out here. NO2. Number of nitrogen 1. It having the mass number, that is the 14, plus oxygen 2 are there. Each oxygen having the 16. So 14 plus 32. Its answer will be 46. Now here we are going to take here 46. So what about the answer? It will be 8 by 23 Na. Okay, so here we got the answer, that is the 8 by 23 into Na. Clear to you? Now see third question. In that third one, they have given mass, that is the 2 gram. Whose mass is there? Hydrogen. So here see 2 divided by, what is the molar mass of hydrogen? If we consider number of hydrogen, that is 2. Each hydrogen having the mass number, that is the 1. So its molar mass will be 2. So 2 divided by 2 means here answer will be 1 Na. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे समझ में आ गया सबको क्या कर रहे हैं हम, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, सेकेंड ऑप्शन और थर्ड ऑप्शन के लिए हमें आंसर मिल गया है ये वाला. अभी लास्ट वाला बचा है, वो देखो क्या है, 16 ग्राम ऑफ O2. ठीक है, 16 ग्राम मतलब यहाँ पे क्या लेना है, गिवन मास की जगह लेना है 16. व्हाट अबाउट द मोलार मास ऑफ O2? 2 into mass number of oxygen is 16. So in this way we have to take here 32. So 16 divided by 32 into Na. 16 2s are 32 means 1 by 2 Na is there. So finally we got the answer for each and every option. Now how to find out which one is a maximum? I think so everyone knows that concept. If डिनोमिनेटर को अगर स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू आती है तो उसका जो आंसर मिलेगा वो क्या रहता है, तो बिगर, और अगर ये बड़ा आता है तो उसका आंसर मिलता है स्मॉलेस्ट वन. यहाँ पे तो 1 Na है, मतलब ये वाला जो आंसर है वो क्या रहेगा, बिगेस्ट रहेगा, क्योंकि इसका जो आंसर रहेगा लेस देन 1 ही रहेगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अपना ये हाउ टू फाइंड आउट नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स कंसेप्ट खत्म होता है. होप सो आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा कैसे फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. नंबर ऑफ एटम्स डिपेंड करते हैं नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स, मतलब अगर हमें पता चलता है कि नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो इट विल बी इजी टू फाइंड आउट नंबर ऑफ एटम्स. सो इन अ नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.